Alright, Green Thumb Gardening family, in today's video, we're going to be pulling out a few of our turnips here, our purple top turnip greens here. This is our first crop of purple top turnips that we planted at the same time we planted those Alabama blue collards back there roughly a month and a half, pushing 2 months ago now. We had a few of our turnip greens to die. We came back and we interplanted those turnip greens with a few smaller plants. Some of them lived, as you can see, some of them died off. We're not too upset about that. We have a huge field of greens going on out here this season. This is our largest crop of greens we've ever grown here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. At any rate, we're going to get in here. We're going to remove the turnip green plants that have significantly sized bulbs beneath them, such as that one back there in the back. You can see back there, a couple of these in this row here, probably 3 or 4 of these in this row here. We're going to get those pulled out. But we'll come back at the end of this video and show you guys the totality of the turnip green harvest from our fall garden. Hang tight. Alright, Green Thumb Gardening family, we're back, and this is the totality of our very first purple top turnip harvest from our fall garden. Take a look at this. Bam! Don't these turnip greens look fantastic? Thanks for watching. And if indeed you do currently find yourself watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, harvesting purple top turnips from our fall garden. Thanks for watching.